Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, my Stacy fam. How you all doing, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing another amazing makeup eyeshadow palette. So guys, you all know that I love eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm literally obsessed with any good eyeshadow. Okay, so there is this brand I usually I love their product. Most of the time I just order from online. One I did unboxing for the last time, that one was Beauty Glazed Color Fusion, but this one is called Beauty Glazed Color Board. I heard it has like 60 colors inside, and it's really nice. I've seen a lot of review about this from other makeup artists on YouTube and all that. So here it's how it came, guys. So I'm just going to unbox it in front of camera so that you guys will see how it looks. Just going to cut it open. This is how it is. I think it just has this on it just to be able to protect it, guys. Like, there are some stores online, you just order your makeup products, then they will just wrap it anyhow. So you can see that one is off. We still have another one right here. Look guys, like, this one is triple wrapping. Like, the packaging is really nice. Okay, wow, I hope you guys can see clearly. You can see what I'm talking about, guys. The packaging is lovely. Look guys, meet your match eyeshadow tray color board by Beauty Glazed. So guys, let's open it and see what's inside. So look guys, this is amazing. Look, like, honestly guys, this is good. The first one, see, I'm just going to show you guys how it is. See guys, this is one thing I love about this palette. You see how you can just manipulate it. See, oh god, this is super gorgeous. Look guys, this is simply amazing. Look, just take a good look at all the colors. Like, see the way they did it, and guys, it just is mind-blowing. Look, in this particular palette, if you check properly, you see that it has its own color according to the shadow that is inside. So if you come here, you see that the board is green, so you see all the shadow inside. You have the glinter. Look, it's amazing guys. I love this. Look, you have the light green, you have the dark green. Look guys, oh no, this is gorgeous. Just take a look at the glinter, guys. Right here you have silver. Is it silver or gray? I think it's silver. Then you have the purple glinter. Oh god, this is gorgeous. Then this one right here, this one too guys, is beautiful. It's really nice. Like, this palette is amazing guys. Almost all the shadows, they are matte shadows. Okay, so the loose ones are not much. I think about 10 or 11 loose shadow, then the rest of them is just matte. Then the good thing about these guys is just that the glinters, they are all loose. Okay, so there is no way you cannot apply it without using your glitter glue. So I'm just going to try to tap from this one a little bit to show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to use my hand. Oh no, this looks gorgeous. Wow guys, look at that. Oh geez, this is gorgeous. Guys, you see what I was talking about? You don't even need glue, like glitter glue, to apply it. Look how beautiful. Oh, take a look. I love it already. It's beautiful, honestly. So guys, this is the name of the eyeshadow. Color board. It did is a color board eyeshadow palette. Wow, just take a look at this green, guys. This is gorgeous. So guys, in case if you are looking for any good eyeshadow, I think this, I'm not doing advert for them, so but I think when you see a good product, you should be able to give a positive review about the product. Just take a look, guys. It's just amazing, honestly. I won't lie, the product is just with this glitter, because I have a lot of glitter that if you want to apply it, you need like really apply glitter glue before it will stay. But with this here, I just apply with my hand and everything is just heaven. So guys, that will be all for me unboxing my Beauty Glazed color board eyeshadow palette. Thank you all for watching. In fact, you guys are amazing. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for the like. Thank you for all the love you guys are showing me. You guys are all amazing. So guys, I will see you all in my next video, okay? Bye bye.